Welcome to PMPA's Final Cut of the Week, where we share important information you may have missed while you were making essential parts. I'm Harry Senta Jr.
And I'm Monica Reyes-Vasquez, and this is what you need to know for the week ending November 22nd, 2024. In September 2024, manufacturing technology orders reached $450.6 million, up 24% over August 2024, and a 14.6% rise over September 2023. This surge highlights the industry's recovery following IMT's return to Chicago. Despite a 7.7% year-to-date decline compared to 2023, September orders were the highest of the year, signaling optimism for the future.
In September 2024, world crude steel was 143.6 million metric tons, making a 4.7% decrease compared to September 2023. The EU produced 10.5 million metric tons, a slight increase of 0.3%, and North America produced 8.6 million metric tons, down 3.4%. The top steel producing countries included China, which produced 77.1 million metric tons, down 6.1%, and the United States, which produced 6.7 million metric tons, up 1.2%. Our take? We are continuing to see a decline in Chinese steel production to the point where they may fall below the rest of the world production. World steel production is continuing to decline, but European and United States production is advancing, indicating the high-quality steels used in our products are seeing strong demand.
As automation becomes integrated into our shops, the potential damages caused by a cyber attack become increasingly costly. There is an urgent need for enhanced cybersecurity measures to protect automated systems from evolving threats. We must be proactive to safeguard against vulnerabilities. Networks must be tested to ensure security. Some equipment has built-in backdoors to make communication easier for the manufacturer. Is that still enabled on your equipment? Ensure you're thinking about the security implications of your network-connected machine tools.
In case you missed it, these are the topics discussed on PMPA's listserv communities this week. Need ITAR registered nickel plater that does OD green. Need supplier for nickel acetate coating for aluminum. Source for 1 1/4 hex 1137/11L37, multi-spindle layout training program, and November 2024 ITR economic report. PMPA members may ask and answer questions on our powerful listserv communities by going to pmpa.org.
On this week's Speaking of Precision podcast, Miles Freed, Carly Kistler-Miller, and David Wynn discussed tensile testing to determine ductility and use it to understand suitability of material for processes and product applications. This podcast and our Speaking of Suppliers podcast can be found on major podcast platforms or on pmpa.org.
Now it's time for our weekly tip. Understanding the benefits provided by turned and polished steel bar stock and its differences from cold-drawn steel bar stock can help you and your team avoid unexpected performance issues. To learn how turned and polished steel bar stock is manufactured and how it impacts your shop, go to pmpa.org's Knowledge Centers or Final Cut of the Week.
And that's our take on what you need to know for the week ending November 22nd, 2024. For additional information and links about any of the topics discussed today, go to pmpa.org or click on Final Cut of the Week.
Thanks for checking in, and we'll see you next Friday. Does my hair look okay?
It looks great. Your eyebrows looking.
I'm talking about my nose hairs. Where we share important information you have made. Here we go.
Week ending in November. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Are you falling? I'm a IMTS. I'm gonna need to start over.
IMTS. I'm gonna need to start over.
I'm so sorry.
I'm a B, starting over.
Thank you so much.
8.6%.
I was trying not to laugh when she
Why do I want to say percent?
Or enhance to safeguard against vulnerabilities. Threats. We must be proactive. I'm so sorry. That was pause, right? Did you see that pause?
Gold plater that does
OD Green. Discuss Tensile.
Tensile.
It's Tensile.
Tensile testing.
Tensile. To determine ductability.
Ductility.
So close. Next
Friday.